Hi, hello, welcome guys. I am Aaron from Xbox. In this video, we will see about the wild Smart Fortwo. Imagine sitting behind the wheel of your newly acquired Lamborghini Aventador. It's great at the limited things it can do, but do not go asking it to behave like a highway cruiser, carry as much as a pickup truck, or blaze or rough terrain like a Raptor. Do not be put off by the fact it's rear wheel drive instead of all wheel drive after all. It's not liking you, we're going to take it rock crawling anyway. The top speed of this thing is limited to 65 miles per hour, which is actually a great news. It has 1.0 liter 3-cylinder engine, could muster the power to turn all four wheels, especially when warped in those big 30-inch BF Goodrich Baja TA tires. Granted, the stunts has also been winded, but it's still not enough to instill too much confidence at high speed. Other modifications include 3 LED bars, a 4000 lbs winch mounted at the front with remote operation, a full-size spare wheel fitted at the back next to a jerry jam, and a set of jack and a shovel, absolutely mandatory for any half-serious off-roader. The interior is completely stock apart from the 9.5-inch infotainment unit that was pretty neatly installed in dashboard and comes with full smartphone support. One of the greatest things about the Fortwo is that despite its diminutive size, it can be used by tall people without any issue. At the time, it's starting from 7,500 euros US dollars. For more details, see description. Thank you. Thanks for watching.